Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be reviewing Kimi.com. But before I do that, a lot of you have been messaging me about requests, and I get hundreds of requests to check out products, and the guide that I made shows you how to do this investigation yourself in just a few minutes. So the link is in the description down below, guys, for you to check out, and with that out of the way, let's get into the review. So if you don't know what Kimi AI is, or Kimi.com is, it is basically just another one of those AIs that copies ChatGPT. So is it actually better or worse than ChatGPT? So once you get to this website, as you can see, it's basically just like ChatGPT. And you can just, for example, let's click on this. Why don't penguins' feet freeze? So as you can see, the results are really fast, and then it actually shows you where does it base the research that it comes from, or the answer that it comes up with. So as you can see, this is all Chinese, so it's a Chinese-made AI. So it's basically just China's copy of ChatGPT. So as you can see, it came up with these answers right here. So penguins' feet don't freeze because it has insulating features, other adaptations, and blah 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 blah. Counter current heat exchange systems, and that's all pretty good. However, one thing to note, one good thing about this is that it actually has these accessible links that it copied from, or not copy, but pasted from. So as you can see, you can just click it here to go to the link. For example, you're doing a project, and then you can just type in any answer or any question. You just cite the website that it pasted from. So if you're wondering if that's actually pretty good, as you can see, there's a discussion here on Reddit. There's a benchmark system. So 777.5 in AI Me, 96.2 in math, 500, 94th percentile on code forces, and a lot more. So it matches OpenAI's O1 model. It's actually matching ChatGPT. And as you can see, the discussion goes on. However, there is no clear answer if it's actually better or worse than ChatGPT, since it's basically the same model. So if you're looking for an alternative, if for some reason that you can't use ChatGPT, I advise you to use Kimi.com, since it is actually the same. And that is basically it, guys. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.